I'll be on my way. Think I miss more than words could ever say.
Hi everyone, so to get started on this look, we'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Pigment in the shade Desert, and for the brush we'll be using this BH Cosmetics in the number 7, and basically we're going to pack that all over the lid. And this look, guys, is super easy. I mean, it's so easy, I almost kind of hesitated to make a tutorial on it, but it looks so pretty and I want to show you guys how I made this look. But anyways, we're going to pack the color on and then slowly build it upwards and also create a wing, as you'll see in a few seconds. So as you can see, I'm slightly dragging it out to start making the wing, and then I'm slowly building it up. So you just want to make sure that both eyes are even. And the reason why I chose this brush was because it has kind of like an angled tip, so it makes it much easier to create that wing. And as you can see, the wing is slowly starting to come together, and you want to take the shadow pretty high, as you can see here, because this is the part that's going to stand out. And then for the next shade, you want to take the Loose Pigment Crystal, and I'm going to use this as a inner corner highlight. And these colors are so beautiful. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing and try on of this collection, be sure to check that out. So after putting on Crystal, I put the leftover of Desert onto the inner corner, and then here I am popping on some lashes, and these are the Kiss lashes in the style Brassiere, and these lashes are my ultimate favorite, you guys already know. And as always, I'll link everything down below that I used in this video in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And then here I'm just priming my face using the NYX Honey Dew Me primer, because I really want the face to be really lightweight and dewy. And here I'm using the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright primer to give more brightness and light to my face.
I love you, but it's not us. I can't relate to this love thing. I'm not such a with you.
And as I said before, I want to keep this look really lightweight, so here I'm taking the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, and I'm in the shade Sand. And I'm honestly just using my fingers to spread all of this out and blend it in, because it is so easy to blend out, and it just soaks into the skin really well and just makes it really look fresh and glowy. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade Light Medium, especially during the summer. And I'm going to put 2 dots under the eyes and then blend it out with my finger. And I've been doing this lately, especially when I'm wearing a tinted moisturizer, just to keep everything simple and light. And also, you want to make sure to use clean fingers to keep everything sanitary. And as you can see, guys, this look is so simple to do, but it's definitely wearable for like a party or going out, because the gold really stands out and it's just really, really pretty. And then here I'm just dabbing some concealer on the sides of my nose, because I do have a little bit redness there. And then for powder, I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm using a very, very light amount because I am using a tinted moisturizer. So there's really no need to overdo the powder. The only spot that I'm really packing on the powder is under the eyes, because that's where I use the concealer, but pretty much I'm going light everywhere else. Here I'm taking the ABH A18 Pro brush, and I'm using this to contour and bronze the face. And with it, I'm using the ABH bronzer in the shade Rich Amber, and this is actually my first time using the contour brush, and I absolutely love it. Honestly, it is so soft and it blends the bronzer like a dream. It also helps that the bronzer is really blendable and really smooth, and it's actually pretty pigmented, so you want to make sure to tap off any excess and go with a light hand and slowly build up. And like I said, this bronzer blends like a dream. It is so smooth and so nice. And here I'm just using a very tiny amount just to blend on the sides of the nose, just to give it more shape and structure. And this brush actually fits perfectly in that spot, which makes me like the brush even more. And then here I'm using the blush, and I'm using the shade Rose, and I'm just putting a very light amount just to give a little bit more color to the face. And the reason why you want to go light is to keep the focus on the eyes. And then next we're going to take the Dewy Set setting spray and just kind of melt all that powder right back in and make it look like skin again. And then going in with the So Hollywood loose highlighter and the A23 brush, we are going to highlight the face. And this highlighter is so pretty. You only need a very tiny amount because it is so pigmented. And here, the way I'm putting it on is I'm going in circular motions and basically buffing it out. That way it's more dispersed and gives a more dewy effect to the skin rather than, you know, like a random light streak on the face. So you want to place the highlighter on the high points of the cheeks, the brow bone, and the nose bridge, as well as the cupid's bow and the chin. And this is just going to really complete that dewy effect that we're really looking for. And then we are going to go in with the lips, and here we are using the new ABH lipstick in Orange Blossom, and we're just going to put that all over the lips and then top it off with some gloss. And for gloss, we are using the ABH lip gloss in the shade Toffee, which is one of my all-time favorite glosses from the collection. It is so pretty and it goes so well with this lipstick. And this step is completely optional, but I just like to be extra and spray some more dewy setting spray just to keep that freshness and dewiness of the skin. And then here we are using the brand new Shimmer body oil, and this stuff is stunning. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing video and try on, I show a clip of it under the sunlight and it is gorgeous. And that is the completed look. I told you guys this look is so easy, yet it is so pretty and just very effortless for something that looks pretty good, I have to say. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And I believe we reached 2,000 subscribers. I am so happy and proud for us. Thank you guys so much for your support. Be sure to check my description box down below for all product details as well as my social media handles, and be sure to follow me there as well. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!
I'll be on my